What's going on YouTube? Kevin Reese here. Today I'm going to bring y'all a review and installation and how-to on this K&N air filter. This is for a 2009 Honda Accord with the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's the K24Z3. We're going to go ahead and unbox it real quick. So nothing else in this box. You can see it comes with a cool sticker here. Some little advertising there, but always cool to have some K&N stickers around. Got some more information there. Another sticker here that we'll put in there. It comes, you can see it's already got, looks like some oil on the actual filter. But we'll go ahead and open this thing up, guys, and check it out. And it looks like it already comes pre-oiled with some oil, guys. It's kind of oily feeling. You can see here, check out the quality of that filter here. So this filter, K&N filter, you clean every 50,000 miles, and they're good for the lifetime of the entire vehicle. It's supposed to increase horsepower and miles per gallon. That's why I'm installing on my car. Not so much as horsepower increase, but what I'm really looking for is the actual gas mileage, and I'm getting about 27 to 28 miles per gallon. Automatic transmission. Is the sedan, the EXL model, so the K24Z3 is in that model, and it's got 96 horsepower, I think, from the factory. But I'm not looking to really increase that. It's more so, like I said, miles per gallon. So for me, you know, I drive about, when I work, about 120 miles a day. And that's averaging about 75 to 80 miles an hour on the interstate. So with the cruise control set, so I roll right down the interstate and I'm still getting 27 to 28, which isn't bad, but there's always room for some improvement. So we're going to go ahead and take this thing out and go ahead and install it in the car. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so to get your airbox lid off, you have 3 tabs. The first one is here. You have a second one right here. You just need to move that cable out the way. They just pop off. And your third one is back here. So if you can see, there's one right down here, guys. You pop that one back, and this simply just lifts up and off, and it's really, really easy. So you can see, here's our stock air filter right here. We got the new K&N, so we're going to go ahead and put it in. Your stock one, to take it out, you just lift up. It's right here. You can see, dirty, old paper filter needs to be changed. Just make sure that these are the right size, so everything lines up, so we know this is the right filter. And just make sure, because there's 2 different filters for these cars. The LX Accord uses a different filter. This is a different filter. This is the EXL, so it's a different filter. So drop that one in just like that. Make sure everything fits, lines up in there perfect. We go ahead and put your box back on. Go ahead and seat it, and you just put all your tabs. You want it in the rear, you just pop it back up and over. The same thing here, same thing here. So that's it, guys. It's that easy. So now we'll start it up. I'm gonna see how it sounds.